Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about yield farming. Yield farming explained, easy version for beginners. Let's go. Various topics here is what is yield farming? How does yield farming works? Where can you farm yield? Risks of yield farming, tips for safe yield farming. Right? So, what is yield farming? Now, yield farming is when you learn or stake your crypto in a DeFi protocol to earn rewards, often in the form of interest, fees, or bonus tokens. Think of it like putting your crypto to work instead of letting it sit in your wallet. You are providing liquidity to platforms like Uniswap, Aave, or PancakeSwap. In return, you earn a yield. So this is what we call yield farming. Usually it's calculated annually or by 6 months depending on the platform. Okay, so yield farming is when you put your money for or into a DeFi, which is decentralized finance, for them to earn interest or use it to learn or borrow to people. Okay, let's go. How does yield farming work? Explain. You deposit a pair of tokens like Ethereum or USDT into a liquidity pool. Alright? The platform uses your token to let others trade. Alright? Every time a trade happens, you earn a portion of the trading fees. On top of that, you might earn rewards tokens from that platform itself. Some farms offer very high yields, but remember, the higher the rewards often means higher fees. Okay, so you are the one lending your money to a platform, and they now return lend it out or trade with it. Alright? Like our traditional bank, if you drop your money in the bank, they use it to trade, they use it to learn and lend to other people. So that's exactly what happens when it comes to yield farming. All right, where can you farm yield? Now you can farm yield in popular platforms like Uniswap. Uniswap uses Ethereum. You can use SushiSwap. You can use PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap uses BNB, all right, which is Binance network. We have Aave, which is lending based, and then we have Curve Finance, which is a stable coin. They use stable coins mostly. Alright, each one works slightly differently. Some focus on token pairs, others on lending. Always research which blockchain it runs on, how the rewards work, and whether the platform is audited. Like I always say, before you join any platform, always do your research, okay? And make sure you understand what you're going into before you dive into it, alright? Yes, next thing about yield farming, the risks behind yield farming. Okay, yield farming isn't free money. Okay, so here are the risks. Impermanent losses. If token prices move, you can lose value compared to just holding. Alright, when the value of tokens go up or come down, it affects also the profits you're going to make. Rug pulls. Some projects steal your funds then vanish. Rug pulls, I'll talk about rug pulls where a token is made, so much noise is made about the token, and before you know what's happening, boom, we've lost it. Right? So we also have smart contract bugs. I'll talk about smart contracts in one of my videos. So when you have bugs, when the code errors happens, you can also lose funds. Okay, we have regulatory risks concerning when the platform is not available in your own area, or the regulatory bodies in your own area have certain rules concerning certain platforms. All this can also be the risks you have to consider when you are participating in yield farming. Okay, pro tips: stick to reputable platforms with audit and histories. That's why I said do your research on the last slide so you understand what that platform is all about and how you can participate. All right, so tips for safe yield farming. Start small. Test before going big, right? Use cold wallets or secure browser wallets. Monitor the APY. APY means annual percentage yield. All right. Make sure it is consistent. Make sure you're making money. If it looks too good to be true, it is probably is. Okay, so do your research and watch carefully. And always read what you are signing before approving contracts. Very important. Always read what you are signing before approving contracts. Okay. So yield farming is just you giving money to the companies or the platforms, and they also in turn use it to earn more money, and then you get rewards. As simple as that. All right. So this is yield farming explained in 5 minutes, bro. In 5 minutes. So that's yield farming, the way to earn passive income by putting your crypto to work. It's powerful, but not risk free. So always do your own research before jumping in. So, all right. So let me know in the comments. You have ever tried yield farming? If you have not, if you have any question about it, you can hit me up in the comment section, and I will reply and tell you what to do and guide you through it. Okay. So like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials as we go on. All right. Thank you very much. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.